Hey everyone, welcome to Hero Solve Dev. I'm Amin, and today I'm going to show you how to build a simple login system using Python, PyQt5 QtDesigner, and MySQL. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, this video will walk you through every step. If that sounds useful, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's install the tools we need. We're going to use QtDesigner. I will include the link in the description to download it. PyQt5 for the GUI and PyQt5 tools to get access to QtDesigner. You can install them by running this line in your terminal. Once that's done, open QtDesigner and let's design the login form. I'm currently using Web server as my local development environment, but feel free to use any local server. I have created a database called application, and inside it there's a table named users with 2 columns, username and password. that's it. You now have a basic Python login system with user interface and connected to MySQL. If this helps you, please like and subscribe to support the channel. More tutorials coming soon. Goodbye.